Swiss victory. Man, just hearing those two words instantly conjures up the roar of a massive crowd, right? The flash of cameras and that absolute, undeniable thrill of the win. Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a very specific, tightly focused piece of media. We aren't going to be analyzing defensive formations, looking at historical rosters, or worrying about passing accuracy today. No way. Instead, we are looking exclusively at the setup for the ultimate payoff of the game.
Swiss victory. You know, when we talk about sports, it is just so easy to get totally bogged down in the statistics, the grueling training camps, the endless tactical debates. We're always tracking passing percentages and stressing out over injury reports. But what is it all actually for? Honestly, it's for the win. And what's really interesting here is how this concept just strips away all that noise. It immediately establishes that incredible emotional high. Our material today zeroes in on the exact phrasing used to introduce those specific moments where all that hard work actually pays off, and the crowd just goes absolutely wild.
Moving right along to Section 1. Title: The Swiss Victory. Subtitle: Excerpts.
Excerpts from... Listen, we aren't sitting down to watch a full 90-minute match today. You know the kind where the tension slowly builds and the ball just gets endlessly passed around the midfield? Actually, scratch that. We're skipping straight to the goal. By focusing just on excerpts, we completely bypass that slow buildup and get right to the payoff. It builds this incredible rhythmic anticipation because you know you're only getting the most potent, high-energy moments of the game. It is literally all thrill, absolutely no filler.
The goal celebration reel. Boom, there it is. And here's the crazy part. We aren't even looking at the goals themselves today. We are looking purely at the immediate aftermath. The knee slides across the grass, punching the corner flags, the primal screams, the whole team piling on top of each other in the corner of the stadium. The focus here is entirely on the pure joy of scoring. Framing a piece of media purely as a celebration reel promises us one thing, and that's unfiltered human emotion. It is that exact moment when the pressure finally bursts and turns into just pure elation.
Okay, jumping into Section 2. Title: Goal Celebration. Subtitle: Highlights.
Switzerland goal celebration highlights. Putting the word highlights right next to goal celebration, that promises unadulterated excitement. It's the absolute euphoria of the game, isolated, packaged up, and repeated. Honestly, this is such a brilliant way to consume sports media because you are totally bypassing the anxiety of the contest, right? You skip the fear of losing entirely. Instead, you're choosing to live purely in that recurring climax of the win. It is basically sports without the stress, just a constant, beautiful loop of victory.
Ready for the goals celebration highlights? This whole concept strips away absolutely everything else to leave us with nothing but pure triumph. So, as we wrap up this explainer, I really want to leave you with this thought. When we boil sports down to just the highlights of the celebration, are we simply seeking an easy emotional reward? Or are we actually witnessing the purest, truest essence of why we play the game in the first place?